Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over number 9. Okay, so it says a farmhouse hosts 10 weddings per year and 5 anniversary parties per year. So the total number of guests at all of the weddings for 1 year is 103 more than the total number of guests at all of the anniversary parties for 1 year. Each wedding had 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party. Okay, which system of equations can be used to find W, the number of guests at each wedding, and A, the number of guests at each anniversary party? Okay, so W stands for wedding and A stands for anniversary. Okay, so I'm gonna go start off with that second part. Each wedding had 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party, right? So the wedding had, so that would mean the wedding is equal to, and then 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party, right? So let's say I had 15 apples, right? And I said, you said, and I said, you have 12 apples less than me, or 12 apples fewer than me. That means you would subtract 12 from 15. So, because it says 12 fewer doesn't mean it's 12 minus. It's actually going to be the anniversary party, guests at anniversary party, minus 12. Okay? So for sure, our answer choice has to have that. So, B is wrong, and C is wrong. Now look at what our answer choices say. 5 weddings. Well, the problem tells us that there's 10 weddings per year, not 5. And that's what this one has, 10 weddings. So the answer choice would be D. A would be wrong. Use the word problem to help you out.